Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts, and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Greetings everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. You could see that market has shown the upward action recently, and mostly it stands in a row with the suggestion that we have made. If you remember, our major conclusion on technical analysis was that we expect three possible levels where market could turn up. First level is 1817, that has been reached right on Monday. Second level is around 1850, and finally 1804, 1825. That's the ultimate level where potentially market could turn up. The last level is the strongest one because it also agrees with the weekly oversold and weekly 1836 fib support. That's our just desirable level where we could take the position. But anyway, market could turn up earlier if we get some results of the elections that stands in favor of the Joe Biden. So in this case, dollar will become weaker, more stimulus will be on the table, and that will push gold to the upside earlier from the early standing level. That's why we decided just to keep an eye on all these three levels, and we said that you could make an attempt to take the long position with a small part of your trading assets right from all of these levels. And you can see that the first level that we have works really nice. So pullback has started. You could see in the follow time frame chart. Here's the reversal candle has been formed. In general, it will be better to start from the lower time frames opposed to what we do usually. So take a look on the hourly chart. We have considered, if you remember, this head and shoulders pattern. It's instead this first level where market could turn up, 1870. So if you'd like to buy, you could buy 25-30% of your trading volume that you intend to invest in the gold right from this level. Overall price action here doesn't look really very strong. It's a bit choppy, long tail stands on the candles. It means that maybe this is not yet the major reversal. But overall action was really significant. So you can see 1870, here is 18, almost 19 even, so $30 per contract. This is great result. Now you could decide what to do next. You could move stops to the break-even and just sit on the hands and watch what will happen. If you believe that market will drop more, you could just fix the profit and wait for a more downside action. My personal opinion, guys, is that, well, there's really big chances that we will get another drop here, but this is personal. I'm not sure this definitely will happen. Somehow I feel that I have the strong feeling that Donald Trump will get the second term of the presidency. That's just because I see the dynamic of the voting. So, for example, if we take a look at recent polls, take a look what we have. This is difference between Donald Trump and Biden voting with a few sessions. Within the 2 days, Trump gets 5% voting compared to Biden that have got nothing. And if you'll take a look on the overall Trump dynamic of the voting, you can see that within just a few days, Donald Trump get additional 3%. So now it stands 44 on 52 against the Biden. And I think that there is some mistake in the polls exist. So I think that real difference stands even more narrow. And with this then dynamic, I suggest that it will be difficult elections. Besides, as you know, the ballots that will be sent by mail, we could get 10 days later after the election. So it could be somewhere on the 12th, on the 13th of the election, of November. So all this will keep markets in tension and could press on the sentiment, and situation could be nervous, especially if Donald Trump will come closer and closer to the Joe Biden rating. So I don't know, I can't explain it, but I feel that something really big could happen with these elections. That's why I'm not really hurry up with taking the some big position on the gold market immediately. On the daily chart, from the technical point of view, let's turn to the 4-hour time frame chart again. Take a look at here about second level. Since we said that overall price action here is not really very fast, currently it still keeps and shows the features of the pullback on the retracement, and as a result we've got this, and you can see, got this triple to sell patch. So it means that maybe this could be just indeed the pullback and market could show another leg down. In this case, we again will start watching for 1850 area, because here we have two different XOPs, and potentially it could be the double bottom here. That's the second level that we're considering, where potentially some another part of the position on the gold market could be taken. Finally, take a look on the daily chart. Market is coming close to the MACD line, and theoretically, if we will get the bearish grabber, that will get us more confidence that indeed another drop here could happen. Any drop on the gold market stands in favor of Donald Trump victory, because it will be less amount of the stimulus, this will be different financial policy of the Donald Trump administration, and in this case, the first reaction probably will be to the downside in all markets, including the stocks and other markets. So that's why currently I think that it's great if you have taken the position around 18-17, but in general, those of you who haven't taken this position, I think that we should not be too hurry with the position taken, and chances, I think that's we still will get the good chance for taking the long position on the gold market. So just keep watching what will happen. Potentially we will keep an eye on this possible bearish grabber that could be formed, and I think that at least around 1850 we still should get the chance to take the position, or maybe, if I will be correct and indeed Donald Trump will become the president again, in this case I think that's around 18, even 1825. This will be a great opportunity to buy the gold.